can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Litecoin. Over the last 1 month, Litecoin is up 8.7%. Over the last 1 year, it's rallied up 89.8%. Currently trading around $120. How high can Litecoin go in the coming days and coming weeks? Litecoin's market cap sits around the $9 billion level. Looking at Litecoin's market cap chart, should we be expecting to get to new all-time highs? Is there a possibility of Litecoin getting to 200 billion, maybe $300 billion this cycle in market cap value? Also look at Litecoin's valuation against the US dollar and against the king of the market, Bitcoin. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the US dollar valuation of Litecoin. Currently, Litecoin is valued at $120. Currently, Litecoin is trying to break above a 2-year resistance band. The last time we saw Litecoin breaking above $144 was way back in January of 2022. I believe we'll see Litecoin breaking above $139, but we need to go back in time to see how Litecoin has behaved in similar market conditions. Now, we're being a bull market or we're being a huge retracement from 2021, depending on where you stand. We have seen Bitcoin rallying since the bottom came in 2022. After that 2022 bear market, a lot of altcoins have put in huge gains. Some altcoins are still undergoing accumulation. At the end of the cycle, we're expecting altcoin season. We're expecting altcoins to outperform Bitcoin. That's when market participants will go risks on. We are seeing Bitcoin dominance already taking a hit in the coming days and coming weeks, expecting that capital to flow to the altcoin market. Now, the last time we saw similar market conditions in crypto, first in 2014 for Litecoin, we saw it pumping that 2013-2014 bull market. Litecoin is an OG coin. It has been here for a long time with Bitcoin, with Dogecoin. It has been here even before Ethereum was launched. Now, we saw Litecoin pumping in our bull market. 3,400% to the right side. $1,000 would have given you $34,000. But guys, then comes the downside, because for you to get this kind of huge exponential gains, you are taking mad risks, you're taking crazy risks, and those crazy risks sometimes burn your fingers. And that's what happens to Litecoin holders that didn't sell in December of 2013. They saw their Litecoin holding lose 97% of its value. Huge dump in the cryptocurrency market, but that's a regular occurrence in the altcoin market. A lot of these altcoins swing very high and very low. For you to get those high gains, you have to be able to stomach those low gains. That's the game you're playing. Now, when the bull market comes back, coins like Litecoin that bounce back after dumping 97%, they put in monster rally, and 2017 rally was one for Litecoin. We saw it rallying to as high as $384. That was a 31,000% move for Litecoin in just under 3 years. Think about it, guys. $1,000 invested at the bottom of the cycle for Litecoin, as in the previous bear market of 2015, would have returned over $300,000 in 2017. But again, with huge results, with huge pumps come huge dumps, and that's what happened to Litecoin again in the 2018 bull market. You can see that it's a recurring cycle of bull markets, bear markets, bull markets, bear markets. But the $1 million question is, do you have the do you have the guts to stomach those huge drawdowns? Because another 94% decline was in store for Litecoin. This time around, Litecoin dumped back to as low as $21. That was in December of 2018. And when the 2021 bull run came around, even though we didn't see those kind of thousands of percentages pump for Litecoin still put out a 1,600% gain. And imagine, that was the smallest rally we have seen for Litecoin in its existence. $1,000 would have done $16,000. And if you're one of those psychopaths, one of those crazy investors that could believe long term, and you held your Litecoin since $1.8, you held on for dear life, even when it got to as high as $100, guys, you got to cash out over a 19,000% increase on your Litecoin investment. But for you to get that, you have gone to two 90% drawdowns. You're going to a long period of consolidation before eventually you go to the promised land. It's not always a straight line to where you're going, and you can see that in the Litecoin chart. Now let's fast forward to 2022 bear market. This is present time. This is what you came for. So Litecoin gets into that $400 level in 2021 when the bull market ended. What happened after that was a huge decline in altcoin value. Litecoin to join in the party, and yet again Litecoin lost 90% of its value. This time is no different. We've seen Litecoin dump before, we've seen it accumulate before. What happens after that? It's a pump to the moon. But I'll not be expecting a 1,000% pump, a 2,000% pump, or a 30,000% pump. You can see that the pump is reducing as time goes on. So from the bottom of this bear market, we've seen Litecoin rally up by more than 235%. If Litecoin goes back to the $400 level, Litecoin would have been up 868%. Continue pumping to new all-time highs, maybe 500, maybe 600. We could really see Litecoin get to as high as 1,300% from the bottom, which is very, very unlikely in my opinion. Hopefully we see Litecoin get to that $300 level. But guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should sell for some sweet profits. Remember, the bull run doesn't last forever. If you want to win this game, you have to buy low, you have to sell high, you have to buy when there's fear in the market, and when great returns, you want to sell for some sweet profit. If you look at Litecoin's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, it's been a wonderful story. Litecoin has been losing value drastically against Bitcoin, but we always have those few weeks where it just drastically outperform Bitcoin and continue dumping. We've seen it happen in 2013, we've seen it happen in 2015, we've seen it happen in 2017, and even in 2021, Litecoin is still putting a little rally hard against Bitcoin, 100% pump. It's nothing to write home about the cryptocurrency market, but that's still something. We still even saw it pump more than 100% from 2022 bear market till we got to January of 2023, outperformed Bitcoin by 180%. This time around, guys, I expect Litecoin to go up against Bitcoin by about 200% from where it bottomed. We have seen Litecoin pump hard against Bitcoin by 35%. For it to go up 200%, that'll just take Litecoin back to where it was trading way back in August of 2023, which I believe is possible, which I believe can happen very quickly. The altcoin market is a very volatile market, and I believe we're getting to the end of this market cycle as Bitcoin dominance has started dumping. We're seeing sustained level of greed in the cryptocurrency market. These are telltale signs that risks on, market participants are risks on, WGD gains across the board in the altcoin market. Be ready, guys. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. Now, if you look at Litecoin's market cap, Litecoin's market cap sits around $91 billion. No, Litecoin's market cap sits around $9.2 billion. Sorry. Now, from here, we could easily see it have some resistance around that $20 billion region. We got rejected at that key level in 2021. If we don't get rejected there, that means we're making our way to all-time highs, and all-time highs mean for Litecoin's market cap, it means we might see Litecoin's market cap get to the $270 billion level. But for Litecoin to get there, there's a lot of work to do along the way. If we get there, we have to see Litecoin rally by 204% from where we're currently trading, and that will see the price of Litecoin getting to $300, $400 level. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you buying some Litecoin right now? If you want to buy some Litecoin, you can buy some on Binance, Bybit, Coinbase Exchange, OKX, BitGet. How high do you see Litecoin going in the coming days and coming weeks? How bullish are you on the coin? Are you holding for the long haul? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is.
You have to see it for yourself.